present here. Today we have convened to bear witness to an exceptional occasion, which is science exhibition by DAV Public School, Purjanagar, which serves as a forum for young individuals to demonstrate their originality, resourcefulness, and scientific aptitude. Now, I would like to request our respected principal sir and dignitary guests to come and monitor the matters of our innovative participants. I would also like to add that in a very short interval of time, our ambitious exhibition. So please.
Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Kumar. My name is Pranjal Kumar. We are from class 12 Commerce. Today we make a quadcopter drone. It is a multi-copter drone that is lifted and propelled with 4 rotors. The quad has 4 rotors whose peak rotation and according to their uses. As you can see, there are 4 motors and this is the main head of the drone. This is the brain of the drone. And we connected the ESC that control the speed of the motor. The 4 motors connected interstate with each other.
Is it functional?
Yes, sir. It is functional. I can show you. ये आउटसाइड ये तो आपको उड़ाना चीज़ें बना सकते हैं। इसका बहुत सारे यूजेस हो सकता है फ्यूचर के लिए, बस खेलने और क्या वीडियोग्राफी के लिए हमारे पास इसका काफ़ी यूज है। जैसे कि ये एक नॉर्मल ड्रोन है, इसके नीचे हम अभी कुछ एक कंटेनर लगा सकते हैं और उसमें एक ओपन एंड क्लोजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी लगा के हम लोग इसको एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट में यूज़ कर सकते हैं। हाँ, स्प्रेडिंग के लिए, स्प्रेडिंग लाइक फर्टिलाइजर्स कुछ और इन लाइक जैसे ये है, इसके बेस की मैंने ये दिया हुआ है, इस पर मैं इसको अटैच कर सकता हूँ, तो ये फायर ब्रिगेड का भी काम करेगा। अगर कहीं पे माइनर सा आग है जिसको वहाँ पे पर्सन नहीं पहुँच सकते हैं, वहाँ पे मेरा ड्रोन पहुँचेगा और उसको वो आपको जा सकता है। तो ये एक छोटा सा मिनिएचर मॉडल है, बट इसको एक्सपेंड करके ये फ्यूचरिस्टिक के लिए बहुत अच्छा है और इस पर फ्यूचर में बहुत सारे डिलीवरी ऐप्स भी इसको अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं। फ्यूचर में इससे डिलीवरी प्रोडक्ट भी डिलीवर होंगे, तो ये एक फ्यूचरिस्टिक टाइप बहुत अच्छा है।
Thank you. Yeah, firefighting robot.
Good morning, sir. I am Vivek Sharma. I am Ritesh Kumar.
Yeah.
We are from science. Today we are excited to unveil a groundbreaking project that merges technology and safety, our firefighting robot. In a world where rapid response to emergencies is crucial, our robots aims to revolutionize fighting efforts, showcasing the power of innovations in ensuring public safety.
So this contains a Arduino circuit which is the brain of the robot, and these are the sensors. These sensors will sense fire and then send signal here, and the servo motor will move and throw the water everywhere. And these are the batteries, and here the transistor, and this is a L2899 motor driver. So this controls the motors according to the programming. सर ये जब धीरे चला रहा है तो धीरे भी चलेगा, अगर फायर इस साइड में सेंस हो रहा है तब वो ये मोटर ड्राइवर उसको उसी साइड में घुमाना चाहेगा। तो ये पूरा प्रोग्रामिंग पे
Working?
Is it working?
Yes, sir, it is working.
It's absolutely working. And
Here's the sensors भी लगाए थे।
Yes, sir. These are the sensors, and this is the Arduino board, and this is the servo motor which directions the water where it will go and where the fire is. This L298 driver, like my friend said, it is a motor controller. Arduino, by using Arduino, we can set it to go left, to go right, and to go at sufficient speed. Like sir, I will show you. This is the left. Like it has sensed left fire at its left side. Now at right. Like so, likewise, but if I will take more amount of fire, it will sense much more better, and it will be publicly used also in near future. And this is the state.
and this box contains water for the
As we cannot do
In
it,
calamities, it can be possible for us to do.
yes, it will be automatically working. Like in the schools, we will use this. We we won't need any person which will save our most of the time.
Fire extinguisher video.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Wow.
We are the students of class 11 PCM and we have made this working model of geostationary satellite through which we are going to explain its functioning and its uses in our daily life.
Okay.
So we have connected the bulb with wire and connected in parallel connection and connected to battery with the switch and we take a DC motor.
What is the meaning of geostationary? What does this mean?
Sir, it's a relative velocity with respect to Earth is 0 and its time period is 24 hours.
Okay. That is the same as that of the.
Yes, sir.
For what purpose it is used? Suppose if there is underground coal, can it be possible this device can help us? It can remote sense the things. This one is your?
It is a security system.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. I'm Snigdha from class 10B. So we are here to represent a model of the laser security system. I would like to introduce my group to you. The name of the participants are Arpita, Pritam and Aisha. We all are from class 10B. So this project works on the principle of reflection. The laser can be reflected on the mirrors. Like when we reflect the laser on the mirrors placed on the both sides of the gate, the laser will transmit the light on the sensor. Then it will, and then the buzzer will start alarming.
This one can be used for security purposes. To install entrance gates.
This kind of laser security system are like really effective and it can be integrated in wide ranges like banks, businesses for industrial setups. And this kind of laser security system can be harder for the culprits to escape the system. Thank you so much for your time.
Good morning, sir. This is me and this is our team. Swayam Chaudhary, Rohit PC, and this is Rishabh. We
You are from which classes?
are from 10A.
10A. Okay.
This is an accident alert system. Basically, it alerts when an accident occurs. There are three main parts: an accelerometer, there's a SIG-800L module, and there is a GPS module. And then there are other stuffs like Arduino Nano and an IIC LCD. Now, first of all, how does the ADXL accelerometer works? It detects X and Y directional movements and then displays it into the serial monitor. Sir, if you could come here and show it in the... This is the serial monitor. It shows the X and Y outputs. Now we have set a limit. The limit is around 12 units. This is a movement limit. If this limit is broken, then an SMS will be sent via the SIM800L to this phone. There are initially two messages right now, but if you break the threshold,
When it detects a specific magnitude,
you can see here SMS sent.
It's of a higher frequency.
I think due to insufficient power supply, this can't.
Okay.
There's a problem There's a problem in connecting this SIM800 module to the satellite because right now we have a big building. We are inside the building, and the GPS module is having the same problem right now. But if you could go outside right now, it would connect. Right now there is also a lot of electromagnetic interference from these tube lights.
These are the minor problem. It can be resolved. It can be resolved.
If you were just to go outside, then it would work.
Okay, sure. Please.
This project have made 4 projects. First project of our innovation is actually a generator. It works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetism. You see this switch on, we can recharge our phone. Best part is we can use it as a portable inverter. We can even use it as a portable inverter, as this wires will be transferred, will be connected to step-up transformer. Then it will be better. It will save energy.
Sir, it is just using 12 volt of current and converting it to up to 220 volts of current.
So we can even increase the output if we connect this to a step-up transformer and use it as a portable inverter for our homes.
And the second thing is this solar powered electric vehicle which runs on solar energy and can also be charged in this lithium-ion battery, and it is a future module we can use in the future.
It's a blueprint for future.
So next thing, I want to do a fun experiment. Suppose if two guests comes to your house, one wants to drink Coca-Cola and one wants to drink just water, and you have no water in your house and just Coca-Cola. So what will you do? You will take this Coca-Cola and pour it in the other glass.
That are transformed into water. How?
Sir, basically, I use the tincture of iodine. It's not for drinking purpose. I use the tincture of iodine and poured it into the sodium thiophosphate, and it disappeared.
Is it suitable for drinking?
No, sir. It's just for fun.
Then how will you entertain your guests?
Good morning to everyone. I'm Kumari Suri from Standard 90, and she is my partner Priya Kumari from Standard 90. We are here to represent the model of 3D hologram box in front of you. So first of all, I would like to see the use of it. Saba, can you please on the lights?
बना दिया
Sure.
So
साइंस सिटी में जाएंगे साइंस सिटी
Yeah.
So sir, now please allow me to explain its use.
Sir, as you saw that here our model reflected on the screen.
So it is reflected. The object in the phone, on the screen of the phone, is getting reflected on the sheet present in our hologram box, because it is just we can say that it's just a game of reflection of light, in which the 3D dimensional image is getting reflected on it by a light beam of coherent light source. So it is very useful. Now, nowadays we are only studying from phone. So if we use this kind of box, our eyes would not get damaged. And if we come to if you go through medical training, so then it's very useful, because it is creating a human anatomy in front of students, which is helping to understand the complex topics, and also it's helping the physician in 3D word structure that the physician can see the problem of the patient's heart and can manage. And nowadays it is so useful that if our scientists are able to create the things which could be present, which could be formed in future. They are creating their models by using this kind of 3D hologram box, and it is also useful to archaeologists. It is so useful that it is creating the old artifacts, how the cities were there, and
Okay. Well, thank you.
This satellite is an automated space jump cleaner. As we know, humans are controlling the space. Literally, humans are controlling the space. We are sending rockets on and we are sending satellites. But there's a problem. This is damaging our exosphere. That means it is damaging our ozone layer. Dust particles. The particles which are the waste from the satellite remains. There's an example of debris of satellites. So I have made this model of automated space jump cleaner. Here there are two metal plates. One is electrically charged and one is electrically positive and electrically negative. As you know, dust particles are very small. There are over 130 million objects that are actually of 1 millimeter and 10 million objects that are 1 centimeter. Thus, there's a fan inside here, so that in anti-gravity, and there's no force acting on it, the torque acts here in this direction, and this rotates like this in the exosphere. And let me make an understand by using a miniature model. It's a miniature of a model of a satellite, and this purple layer is the exosphere. This is our Earth. There is our atmosphere and the exosphere. So this model will revolve in the atmosphere and rotate in the exosphere, and it will collect the dust by attracting the charges by using electrostatic forces. As you know by Coulomb's law, a force is directly proportional to charges. That's why this is on the basis of principle. On this, for example, in junior classes we must have played with we have placed scale on our head and tried to make
bit of papers and the attract.
Yes, sir. That same principle.
Like charges repels and unlike charges attracts.
Yes. So we can attract those very small dust particles by using electrostatic forces. This is my idea.
Is there any other device which can work upon that one there? और कोई ऐसा डिवाइस है पहले जो बना हुआ है इस पर? नहीं है इस पर.
It's an innovative idea, clear the atmosphere.
You just go and find the smoke precipitator. घर पे जाकर के देखना smoke precipitator है, Cottrell's smoke precipitator. So जरा पढ़ना तो क्या है what that one is. बड़े-बड़े जो चिमनीज हैं देखते हो जहाँ से क्या होता है एग्जॉस्ट और ये सब रिलीज होता है वहाँ पर यही चीज काम करता है. Instead of allowing the gases to go out, they try to just get it settled down at the bottom. Instead of dispersing in the air, causing air pollution. मैंने कहा सर्च करके Cottrell's smoke precipitator. ठीक है? Okay. Yes. Oh, so recent thing. Yes. Chandrayaan.
Presenting the working model of Chandrayaan.
Okay. Okay. अच्छा जो काउंटिंग जो होती है वो उल्टा क्यों होता है 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0 उल्टा इधर 1 से 10 क्यों नहीं काउंट करते? उल्टी गिनती क्यों करते हैं? होता है ना, देखे हो कभी आप लोग देखे हो जी? इधर भी है वो लोग भी आप लोगों को भी क्वेश्चन है जब कभी भी प्रोपल्सन होता है रॉकेट्स का तो व्हाई द बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0 उधर क्यों नहीं होता है 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 सोच के रखोगे हो गया ये निकलेगा
तो सर वो थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो गया इसको हम लोग को कट करना था पर टाइम नहीं रहा था.
मैं ऐसे ही पूछा मैंने कुछ बात है
आप अकेले चलो बहुत अच्छी बात है वेरी गुड.
I am present our solar system.
सोलर सिस्टम.
How many planets you have kept? First of all, कितने planets है अभी? 8 है. नहीं वो मैंने नहीं पूछा 8 planets है या 9 planets? ठीक है good.
Several planets such as the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Mercury is the closest to the Sun and Neptune is the farthest of the Sun.
So there are 2 types of planets. दो तरह का प्लैनेट होता है ना जोवियन प्लैनेट्स और टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लैनेट्स जानते हो? ठीक है कोई बात ठीक है ओके गुड एफर्ट.
Respected teachers and all my elders, I am Sapna and I show the artificial application of water to soil through various systems of the pump, well, sprays. Irrigation is usually used in the areas where rainfall is irregular or drought is expected. Irrigation is a type of micro-irrigation system that has potential to save water and nutrient by allowing water drip slowly to the root of plant. Now let us see our project. The water valve pushes the water by the pipe to the tank properly. The tank will the tank supplies water to plant by drop, and when
That will save the water.
yes sir,
The water is precious.
yes sir. Thank think it.
And this area, I think the problem of water is.
Yes,
This area सबसे ज़्यादा problem. तो मैं जहाँ तक देख रहा हूँ. आपका photosynthesis. Sir, 17 number is.
Good morning, sir. I am Anna Kumari from class 9. My topic is photosynthesis. Sir, as we know, how photosynthesis is very important for us because without photosynthesis, we can't buy the earth. It's very important for us. So, first question is how photosynthesis is happen. So, it is the process of converting photodrop into light energy into chemical energy. Chemical energy fuel in cellular activities. So basically, sir, so what is the component of this process? The component of this process is concentration of CO2, temperature, water, and sunlight. These four components are very important for this photosynthesis. So, sir, the formula of this process is 6H2O plus 6CO2.
6 क्या है? 6 क्या है? 6 CO2 में 6 क्या है?
Number of.
क्या नंबर? क्या है? 6 molecules of water, 6 atoms of water, 6 ions of water. क्या है? ठीक है, कोई electromagnetic induction. क्या है?
Morning, I am Ranveer Mathur of class 12 BCM, and me and my friend Ayan have prepared a model on electromagnetic induction.
Okay.
We have taken a battery, NRN transistor, a switch, and 2 circular loops. Sir, basically the main purpose of this project is that without any contact between these 2 loops, we can able to conduct electricity.
Okay.
As we can see that without any contact, we can able to conduct electricity in secondary loop. Because of continuous change in magnetic flux in first coil and EMF is induced in second coil.
This one, the current is it the simple current what we have got?
Sir, it's DC current.
Battery current. It is just a simple current or induced current?
Induced current.
Induced. What is the meaning of induced?
Sir, basic induced current means when we take DC current in first loop and due to change in magnetic flux and current in
Which important form? Okay,
thank you, sir.
There is no correction.
This is our team. We are representing Tesla Coil here.
Okay.
It is a device that is used to create a high voltage electric field in the air around it. Sir, Tesla coil was invented by Nikola Tesla in 1891.
ये अभी क्या है इनके नाम पर? कुछ है?
Tesla company, sir.
Tesla company है?
It's a company.
किसी की कंपनी है वो?
So wireless current को जनरेट करता है sir, और वायरलेस कनेक्ट होता है. इन प्रेजेंट टाइम में सर इसका बहुत स्कूल में यूज होता है in demonstrating electromagnetic induction as well as resonance.
Classroom it can be just shown to the students
Yes,
for
sir.
their curiosity and all these things. It's good. It should be shown. And that's why the class will become interesting and the student will just be encouraged by it.
There is electromagnetic induction satellite initially. Yes. Here is also primary secondary coil.
Question with paper ka, bacha, you will burn it without burning, na?
And a cup filled with water and a dry cup. So she is going to put dry cup.
It's not going to burn. It will burn.
Catch fire.
It will catch fire. Okay. Okay, it has got fire. Okay.
So when she is going to put
इसको देखो, इसको हटाओ पहले इसको देखो, इसको हटाओ. Keep it aside.
so we can see that the water starts boiling because the heat supplied from the bottom is absorbed by the water.
Okay.
That's why water starts boiling.
Okay.
And this activity demonstrates that
low ignition temperature.
What is the other name of ignition temperature? Any other name? और कोई नाम हो? हाँ? टेम्परेचर, ignition temperature, और कोई नाम है? बड़े और combustion में how many things are required for combustion? 3 things. What are the 3 things? Combustible material should be there. Okay. Second, air should be there in oxygen. Okay. Should be raised. Okay. Then only it could be. Otherwise, there are so many combustible things. Air is also there. This is also combustible. ये combustible है ना? Air भी है, but it's not burning. Why it's not burning? Your question itself. मैंने कहा 3 conditions थे ना. पहला था combustible. It is combustible. Second thing was there presence of air or oxygen. It's there. What is the third thing which is missing? Ignition temperature. Until unless you let it reach to its ignition temperature, it will not burn. And why different things needs different temperature? जैसे इसको अगर बर्न करना हो, इसको बर्न करना हो, इसको बर्न करना हो, इसको क्या एक ही टेम्परेचर लगेगा? नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि सारे मटेरियल्स का इग्निशन टेम्परेचर क्या है? सेम है. They are different. ऐसा नहीं है कि सब मटेरियल का सेम इग्निशन टेम्परेचर होता है. Very good. Okay.
My name is Riftipriya. We are from Chelsea. This is our model of acid rain. These are the factors which are relating to sulfurous acid and nitric acid. And these are the vehicles which are releasing nitric acid. And these are the trees which get harmed by acid.
This is releasing nitric acid. नहीं, this is SO2 and NO2 you have written there, ना? It will combine with the atmospheric oxygen and water present there, and then it will fall down, ना? Okay, ठीक है. This one is the acid rain. ऐसा होता है, ऐसा गिरता है इस तरह से. जो इतना spontaneously जो गिर रहा है, ऐसा होता है. इतना अगर हो जाएगा ना, तो everything will be lost. बहुत वो जो हो रहा है, लेकिन it's not in such a rapid way. चलो ठीक है. ओके बेटा. आप 6 यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन इधर चला गया. 6-7 इंटरचेंज है. वो एक्सीडेंट अभी इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक पर ही है. Without contact, without contact, the speed will be regulated.
After some time, it stops.
Okay. Let me see.
It goes away from the plane. It starts to go.
ठीक है.
And then we go closer. It slows down its speed, and after some time,
like it is magnet close towards the disk, the induced current developed opposite direction motion of the disk. So their speed will be decreases. Just like in the train brake used in electromagnetic brake. Induced current developed in opposite direction.
That one is generally in the train brake. Yes. Train brake. That one is there.
Yes.
Yeah, quiz board. अच्छा.
Good morning, sir. I am Jawahar.
Okay.
This is the electrical quiz board.
History.
As the following is, if we
We can do it. सर आइए देखिए ट्राई कीजिए. आइए सर ट्राई कीजिए. देखिए आ गया हिस्ट्री. आपका हिस्ट्री है लग रहा है. हिस्ट्री है. क्या है ये? फर्स्ट.
magnetic board.
Magnetic
If
board.
we match it with the wrong answer, the bulb will not blow.
Okay.
But if we match the right answer, the bulb starts glowing.
That means the correct answer you have walked on.
Electric.
Okay. Let me see. Anglo-Mysore word. Anglo-Mysore. Okay. Correct. यस, आपका तो भी बहुत जरूरी चीज है.
Yes, sir. My name is Shruti and these are my companions for this project. We are of standard 10th B and they will introduce.
Yes, sir. I am Saif from class 10B.
The main motto of our project is to show how we can see the electricity which is wasted on the highway when the truck are passing by. So in this project we have used LDR sensor which will be described by my partners.
So, sir, basically for maintaining the circuit, we have used some resistances and transistors, and this LDR sensor is our main one. When the car will pass by, the light will turn on, and when we will go ahead from the,
It will just switch off your door.
it will be just
It will not require any manual.
So sir, it will automatically switch on and it will automatically switch off.
So, sir, please.
अच्छा.
It needs some light.
Oh, when something is there, then only that will flow up.
Yes.
And you will just move away. अच्छा. That will save the electricity. Otherwise, we see so many roads and the street lights are even in the day also. That problem will be sorted out.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है, उसको हम कर रहे हैं. स्ट्रीट लाइट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
ये क्या चीज है? अच्छा, इसी वाला कोल माइंस भी है. अरे वाह. हाँ ये सर, ये लेकिन इसमें दिखे नहीं. ऐड कर दें. 21 में सर लिख लीजिए. 21 ऐड कर दीजिए. 21 नंबर है ना?
Now I would like to share some information about coal mines. It was established in 1980s with the main production of 5 million. In 1994, the production increased to 10.5 million. This is the main branch of its production and it is its other branch. Supplies its production of Gao and it is very beneficial for every individual since electricity, oil and many coal resources and many etc. things. So it produces also peat which is in local language it is known as algatra, and so it is supplied it has been supplied to many remote areas in many villages, and it is being used for producing tea, making food and many etc. things. So sir, as we all know that electricity is the main important source for every for in our day-to-day life, in technology and many other things. So it produces electricity and it supplies and the villages around it they get the supply of water and many other things. So sir, it is very beneficial for everyone. This is the open forecast mine where poles are extended and they are supplied to this storage house, and their poles are first in small pieces and they are then supplied to the market. And
the name of the process that one is the pole is broken into 9 pieces. इसमें कोई word है? Even in your course you might have studied. आपने पढ़ा होगा ना, कौन सा क्लास है? याद है ना? You might have heard about the minerals and ores. If the ores are being broken down into smaller pieces, what is the name of the process?
So we conclude our demonstration. Thank you for listening. Hope you liked it and have a marvelous day.
इसी को रिड्यूस करना है रियल सिस्टम में भी, नहीं तो सारा हो जाएगा, न्यूज ही नहीं आएगा, मैसेज ही नहीं किया जहाँ कंसर्न पर्सन को जाना है.
अभी भी तो खोल दिया है क्या?
कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म यूज किए?
Arduino IDE.
नहीं हुआ चलो कोई बात नॉट बैड.
10 से वे स्टार्ट करें तो वो 0 में आ गए हैं, लेकिन फिर 0 से हमारे जो कंप्यूटर मशीन में कैलकुलेटेड है 0 से ऊपर वो नेगेटिव में जाएगा.
-1, -2, -3 and so on. ये माइनस जो है सर ये बताइए कितना देर तक एयर में गया है हमारा रॉकेट, तब इससे सर पूरा कैलकुलेशन निकल जाएगा कितना देर में हमारा
रिलेटिव टर्म्स है।
हाँ सर, जैसे कि हमारा पता चलेगा कब सर ये सैटेलाइट कब अटैच हुआ है या इंजीनियर कब हमारा जैसे कि जो पार्ट्स है रोवर सब कब निकला वो सब पता चलेगा सर एग्जैक्ट है माइनस सर पहला तब
यस क्या नाम है?
To appeal respected principals to come and speak few words.
To one and all, first of all, I would like to thank the guest who have spared his valuable time to see these projects. And I would also like to appreciate the teacher concerned who has just let the students display such a wonderful models. Definitely while seeing these all the things, I am very much fortunate to see that one there. Yes, so many young scientists, young buddies are there who can just go ahead and can just do a miraculous thing in the world. Well, seeing most of the things what you have displayed, that's a very wonderful thing. These are the things definitely that will count a lot in the days to come. When we will go ahead, like some of you are in class 12, 11, when you will move ahead from this school, obviously moving into your next phase of your life, in that particular phase, definitely these are all the things, the curiosity, the things, whatever the interest, the keys, whatever you are showing there, that will count a lot. All the best, सभी को जितने भी आप लोगों ने डिस्प्ले किया, that was marvelous. Really, I enjoyed. I think the guests have also enjoyed that one there, what you have presented, and definitely in the days to come, very soon, we will have a bigger arrangement of that one, in which all the different subjects, projects will also be displayed. Maybe in the coming April or May month, we will plan for it. Thank you very much.